I am here today on behalf of Revenge Inc., which is a small but very radical and aggressive publishing operation. It is not clear to me why a publishing operation should ask me, Gopi, to speak on their behalf. I am, after all, an expert on health issues with wide-ranging knowledge of the human mind, emotions, nervous system, eyeballs, earlobes, nostrils, armpits, nipples, filthy belly buttons, and moss-covered scrotums, which are often lovingly referred to as nutsacks, nad bags, and plum pouches. Scrotum. Scrotum. The founders of Revenge Inc. have assured me that I need not speak about publishing per se. This is fortunate in view of the fact that I know diddly squat and jack shit about publishing. In fact, my knowledge of the mating habits of the well-endowed muskrat is greater than my knowledge of publishing. Come here, muskrat. Come here, muskrat. Come here, muskrat. I must say that I have become rather fond of the two co-founders of Revenge Inc. The woman is unquestionably a marvel of superhuman prowess and transpersonal evolution. The man, however, is a torpid and flatulent wastrel with an anal genital fixation and an abnormal interest in certain feminine protuberances. He is nevertheless a lovable fellow who appreciates the contours of both my buttocks and fondly refers to me as that grandiloquent, pecker-chomping pedant. Pecker-chomping, pecker-chomping pedant. Pecker. With the gracious approval of both the co-founders of Revenge Inc., I will be speaking on a very important subject, namely transcendence. I will be speaking on the subject of transcendence in a series of video clips, of which this is merely the first. The word transcendence refers to the act of going beyond or overcoming the limitations of the human mind and the human body. Over the years, I have helped many people to achieve transcendence in many different ways. In particular, I have acquired great expertise in helping people to achieve transcendence over their low down, filthy sexual deviances. As a result, I have become an expert in the issue of human sexual deviance. For example, one of my patients suffered from an erotic obsession with the exhaust pipes of German garbage trucks. With my help, he was able to overcome and transcend his sexual obsession with tailpipes by developing a powerful sexual passion for East Indian marsh buffaloes. This concludes the introduction to me, Venerable Gopi, and the very important subject of transcendence. I hope that you will join me stark naked as I continue with my expositions and explorations of this very important subject. Until next time, this is the Venerable Gopi saying, keep your noses to the ground and fart knock the stars.
The firm buttocks should be smeared with chocolate sauce. The firm buttocks should be smeared with chocolate sauce.